Well, we're still the safe, positive place for kids, but we've concentrated our programs more. We decided to go to a model that focuses on 3 program areas: graduation, fitness for life, and service to the community. We had to find some places to stick our stake in the ground. And when you look across the landscape of the communities that we serve, high school graduation is certainly a hot button issue. I mean, we really wanted to focus on education, so Graduate was a no-brainer.
Every member at the Boys and Girls Club gets 45 minutes of academic assistance, if that is homework help, to some type of small group, to one-on-one tutoring. And we're trying some unique ways with our partnerships that we're establishing with UC interns that are coming in and working with our kids on a more one-on-one basis, and the kids being able to relate to them because they're still in college, they're at their level, they like the same music they like, and so forth. We have partnered up with Xavier to come up with a Xavier curriculum that is focusing on a Xavier reading corner. And it's really exciting to see this being rolled out with the kids. It's linked to an actual book, and then from the book comes out with a lot of different activities and so forth.
Childhood obesity is certainly an area that is, it's a hot button issue. It's something that's talked about all over the country. That seemed to be a no-brainer as well, to incorporate this idea in our kids that fitness for life isn't just exercise and physical activity, but eating well and treating yourself and others well.
The kids that we serve, obviously they're not on the same level playing field as some other kids who may have more opportunities. So our job is to come in and make sure that they have the opportunity to experience things that they may not have otherwise been able to experience. So whenever we come in, if we can just give them that little bit of a leg up just to try to put them on a level playing field, introduce them to different experiences, different sports, different games, different activities, different fruits, different vegetables, just wide varieties of things. As long as we continue to introduce them to such things like that, yeah, I think we're good.
Service was a no-brainer to us as well because that's what we do every day as staff.
The main objectives of Ready to Serve are to develop strong character and leadership in our members, and to allow them to become engaged citizens within our community and our nation and ultimately our world.
The goal of Ready to Serve is to create, our teens who don't necessarily need the club, but the club needs them.
And then they go out and engage their community in community cleanups, penny drives, canned food drives, just whatever the community needs. It's kind of what we challenge them to do.
So that's the major difference in our programming from 2 years ago to today, is more continuity across all of our sites and more of a structure.